Yes, we are indeed going ahead with trade war talks on a Thursday. However, until then, we're going probably to see a lot of headlines. The latest are seeing the U.S. imposing tariffs on Chinese officials, imposing visa restrictions on, on Chinese officials. That, of course, allows the oil to fall, despite the potential production disruption at three oil fields in Ecuador. Now, of course, gold on the other side is supported because there is a lot of concerns around Brexit now, and there seems to be a new sentiment that there's going to be an early election because hopes of a resolution by the end of October are actually fading. At the same time, yesterday's speech from Fed Chair, Mr. Powell said that the Fed is likely to resume Treasury purchases in order to prevent a 2008 disruption. Since we are expecting the EIA report as well as the FOMC minutes tonight, it's a very good opportunity to look at what's happening with WTI crude oil as well as the precious metal. Today, I'd like to start with the WTI oil, the 2-hour chart. I recently mentioned that I've changed my view a little bit. I'm actually bearish. I was seeing this as 1 and this as 2. Now turned around, and I'm seeing this as the end, so like wave C here. Sorry, wave 1, and this is wave 2, and most likely heading down for wave 3. Now, within that wave 3, we have an intermediate wave 1 completed. Wave 2 is also done with a rather complex correction, I would say. And now it seems like we are in the midst of going for wave 5 in the minute structure. Okay, that would complete minor wave 3 below the 50-45. Then we should expect a correction to complete wave 4 above the 50, above this line, of course. And then we should be looking prices to go down for wave 5 that is going to end below 42.40, and that is also going to complete wave intermediate 3. We should then expect a correction up for wave 4 and for wave 5 that is going to take prices probably lower, below 40 and closer to the 37 level, 38 level or so, some round level that it's going to be determining the pretty much 2019 low, because we have 3 months left, nearly 3 months left for the end of 2019, and with trade tensions increasing, I mean, we're most likely going to see oil sliding for the foreseeable short-term future and up to the at least beginning of December, because we might see some sort of resolution closer to the end of the year. That, of course, might be a wrong prediction, false prediction. We never know what's going to happen with markets, but technically speaking, we're getting good signs that this is indeed going to move lower in the in the short and medium term. Now, let's go ahead and have a look on gold. Gold on the 2-hour chart as well. We've had this 1-2 completion of wave 3 here and wave 4, which is not yet completed, or it might be completed. And then we're expecting for wave 5, that is going to complete intermediate wave 3, okay, in the medium term. And then we should be looking at 4 again and 5 all the way up. Now, this particular opportunity, I want to go a little bit lower down just to show you what I see, right? So over here, I see a zigzag, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we could have this being 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then we're going for 2, and then we should be looking to go for 3 up, right? So we're looking at this being wave 1, wave 2, and then 3, then 4, and then 5. and we're going to break above the previous high, or because this correction wasn't too deep, okay, we could see this becoming a triple zigzag, okay? So we could see indeed another move to the downside here, and that is because yet we have not, one second, we have not yet actually crossed above that level, which means that although this is a good 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? Could just simply be an A, B, and a C, okay? And here we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.